Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Range Rover, and if you thought luxury and performance had reached their peak, think again. Land Rover has returned with a refined icon that balances power, sophistication, and next-gen technology in one incredible package. Whether you're cruising city streets or climbing rugged terrain, the 2026 Range Rover aims to deliver a flawless experience at every turn. Let's begin with the first impression you get, the exterior. The 2026 model carries forward the signature floating roofline, continuous waistline, and the minimalist design philosophy that Range Rover is known for, but it now looks sharper and more futuristic than ever. Sleek LED digital headlights flank the new grille, which is slimmer and more integrated into the bodywork. The flush door handles remain, keeping that clean side profile intact. The rear has a refined look too, with a darkened light bar running across the tailgate and vertically stacked taillights tucked subtly into the bodywork. The vehicle sits on optional 23-inch diamond-turned wheels that scream presence without going over the top. With a drag coefficient of just 0.30, it's also one of the most aerodynamically efficient Range Rovers to date. Once you step inside, the luxury is immediately palpable. Every surface feels like it was meticulously crafted. Soft semi-aniline leather wraps the seats, the dashboard, and even the armrests, but you also have the choice of sustainable non-leather materials like ultrafabrics if you want an eco-conscious option. The 2026 Range Rover's cabin is quieter than ever, thanks to active noise cancellation integrated into the headrests. You're literally cocooned in silence while gliding down the road. A massive 13.1-inch curved touchscreen dominates the center console, floating above a clean, button-free dashboard. It's paired with a fully digital 13.7-inch driver display that can be customized extensively. Infotainment is powered by the latest Pivi Pro system, which is faster and more intuitive than before, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and even built-in Amazon Alexa support. There's also a rear seat entertainment system available with dual 11.4-inch HD screens and HDMI connectivity for gaming consoles or streaming devices. A new air purification system constantly filters out allergens and particulates, and even monitors CO2 levels to keep passengers alert. The Meridian Signature sound system offers 1600 watts through 35 speakers placed all around the cabin, creating a 3D audio experience that is simply unmatched. In terms of space, the long wheelbase version now offers optional seating for up to 7 adults, and even third-row passengers get their own climate zones and USB-C ports. The second row feels more like a first-class lounge, with power reclining seats, massage functions, and deployable tray tables in the Executive Class Comfort Plus package. The panoramic roof floods the cabin with light, enhancing the feeling of openness and luxury. Now let's talk performance, and this is where things get really interesting. The 2026 Range Rover comes with several powertrain options, starting with a mild hybrid inline-six producing 395 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. Step up to the P550e plug-in hybrid, and you get a turbocharged 6-cylinder paired with a 160 kilowatt electric motor, delivering a combined 542 horsepower. This model can drive up to 70 miles on electric power alone and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds, quieter and cleaner, but still fiercely powerful. If you're looking for top-tier performance, the SV Edition offers a new twin-turbo V8 engine pushing out a beastly 606 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds while offering a more dynamic drive thanks to standard all-wheel steering and active anti-roll bars. Yet despite this muscle, the Range Rover never loses its smooth composure. An adaptive air suspension system reads the road ahead using navigation and cameras, adjusting damping in real time. On-road handling is firm and balanced, but the real magic happens off-road. With terrain response to electronic air suspension, and a new low-speed crawl mode, the 2026 model is as capable in the mud, snow, and rocks as it is on a racetrack. Let's not forget towing. This SUV can pull up to 8,200 pounds, making it ideal for hauling boats, trailers, or anything else you need for your next adventure. And with the trailer assist function and multiple camera angles, lining up a hitch or reversing with a load has never been easier. Safety and driver assistance are top-notch. The 2026 Range Rover comes equipped with adaptive cruise control with steering assist, lane keep assist, blind spot assist, and a 3D surround camera with clearsight ground view. You can even see through the hood to help navigate rough terrain. Park Assist handles parallel and perpendicular parking for you, while the driver condition monitor ensures you're alert behind the wheel. As for pricing, the new Range Rover doesn't come cheap, but it does offer value for its class and capabilities. The base SE model starts around $104,000, while the autobiography trims move into the $140,000 range. The SV trims, with bespoke customization options, high-performance engines, and ultra-luxury touches, can easily climb to over $210,000 depending on the spec. The plug-in hybrid models start at about $122,000, and the new electric Range Rover, expected later this year, will likely carry a similar premium once officially released. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. The 2026 Range Rover represents a culmination of everything Land Rover has learned over the decades, refined into a high-tech, highly capable, supremely luxurious SUV that is just as comfortable pulling up to a red carpet as it is forging rivers in the wilderness. If you're in the market for a luxury SUV that does it all, from performance to plushness, the new Range Rover should be at the top of your list. So whether you're buying it for status, style, capability, or comfort, you're not just driving a Range Rover, you're living an experience. And in the world of ultra-luxury SUVs, the 2026 Range Rover might just be the new gold standard. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dive car reviews like this one.